Did you know that the average traveler often lugs around 41 pounds of luggage on a trip? That's like carrying a small child everywhere you go. But fear not, fellow adventurers, because today we're diving into the minimalist packing mindset with 12 things experienced travelers no longer pack. Whether you're a jet setter, a backpacker, or someone just looking to lighten the load, these minimalist packing tips are about to revolutionize the way you travel. Say goodbye to unnecessary baggage and hello to streamlined journeys filled with only the essentials. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey towards lighter, smarter, and more efficient travel experiences. Let's dive in, starting with number 12, heavy-duty first aid kit. When assembling a travel first aid kit, prioritizing essentials is key, with adhesive bandages and pain relievers taking precedence. While a comprehensive kit might include heavy-duty items like splints, experienced travelers often opt for a more streamlined approach. This not only saves space, but also allows for easier mobility during trips. Number 11 on our list is hair dryer. Experienced travelers lighten their load by skipping the bulky hair dryer and instead check their accommodations amenities beforehand, as many hotels provide this convenience. This strategic packing approach not only saves space in their luggage, but also ensures they have one less item to worry about during their journey. Before we continue to the next thing on our list, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can get more travel-related information through our videos. Bringing us to number 10, multiple books. For travelers facing long journeys, having reading material is essential, but lugging around multiple books can quickly become burdensome. Savvy travelers instead turn to e-readers or utilize digital platforms on their smartphones or tablets, efficiently saving space while still enjoying a variety of reading options. This smart approach not only lightens their load, but also ensures they have access to a plethora of reading material without the added weight. Let's move on to number 9, excess paperwork. Experienced travelers ditch the excess paperwork by digitizing their travel documents, storing them securely on their smartphones or in cloud storage. This smart practice not only minimizes the risk of losing crucial paperwork, but also significantly reduces the clutter in their luggage. Number 8 on our list is travel iron or steamer. Experienced travelers forego the hassle of packing a travel iron or steamer by employing clever packing techniques to keep their clothing wrinkle-free. Strategies like rolling garments tightly or utilizing packing cubes help compress items and prevent wrinkles during transit. By mastering these packing hacks, travelers can maintain a polished appearance without the need for bulky or specialized equipment. Bringing us to number 7, too many accessories. Experienced travelers understand the importance of packing efficiently by limiting the number of accessories they bring along. Rather than overwhelming their luggage with excess jewelry, belts, and hats, they opt for a curated selection of versatile pieces. By choosing accessories that can be mixed and matched with multiple outfits, they maximize versatility while minimizing bulk. Number 6, we have bulky towels. To lighten their load and maximize luggage space, many travelers are turning to quick-dry microfiber towels instead of bulky traditional towels. These innovative towels are lightweight, compact, and dry rapidly, making them ideal companions for any journey. By choosing microfiber towels, travelers can enjoy the convenience of a fresh towel without the hassle of lugging around bulky items. This smart packing choice reflects a modern approach to travel, emphasizing efficiency and practicality without compromising on comfort. Let's move on to number 5, unnecessary gadgets. Experienced travelers resist the temptation to pack every electronic gadget, instead focusing on essentials for staying connected and informed. This usually entails carrying a smartphone, charger, and optionally, a lightweight laptop or tablet. By prioritizing these key devices, travelers ensure they have the necessary tools for communication, navigation, and accessing vital information without unnecessary bulk. Streamlining their electronic gear allows them to travel lighter and more efficiently, enhancing their overall experience on the road. Number 4 on our list is full-size toiletries. Experienced travelers prioritize efficiency by opting for travel-sized or refillable containers for their toiletries, reducing weight and saving space in their luggage. With many accommodations offering basic toiletries, packing full-size products becomes unnecessary. This strategic approach not only lightens the load, but also ensures travelers have what they need without sacrificing convenience. By embracing compact and refillable options, they streamline their packing process and maximize utility during their journey. Bringing us to number 3, heavy guidebooks. To avoid the burden of bulky guidebooks, modern travelers are turning to digital resources like travel apps and ebooks. These convenient alternatives offer up-to-date information and can be easily accessed from smartphones or tablets. By relying on digital platforms, travelers lighten their load while still having access to valuable travel insights and recommendations at their fingertips. This shift toward digital resources reflects a more streamlined and efficient approach to travel planning and exploration. Let's move on to number 2. Multiple pairs of shoes. Experienced travelers understand the importance of shoe selection in optimizing luggage space. They typically limit themselves to 2 pairs, one for walking and another for formal occasions. By choosing comfortable, versatile shoes that complement multiple outfits, they maximize wardrobe flexibility while minimizing bulk. This strategic approach ensures they are prepared for various activities and settings without sacrificing valuable luggage space. Streamlining shoe choices is a smart packing tactic that enhances convenience and efficiency during travel. Number 1, we have excessive clothing. Experienced travelers prioritize versatility over excess when it comes to packing clothing. They opt for versatile items that can be mixed and matched to create numerous outfits, rather than packing for every possible occasion. Choosing lightweight, wrinkle-resistant fabrics and sticking to a coordinated color palette further streamlines their wardrobe. By embracing this minimalist approach, travelers not only save space in their luggage, but also ensure they're well prepared for any situation with a curated selection of clothing that meets their needs. Thank you for watching our video on minimalist packing tips for experienced travelers. We hope you found these insights helpful in streamlining your packing process and maximizing your travel experience. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our future content. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.